It's a brand new week, and we've definitely started with the earnings season. So you have a lot of companies that reported earnings over the weekend or as well as on Friday. So let's take a look at which are these companies and how are the stocks reacting in trade. So you have Avenue Supermart. Despite a weak set of earnings, that particular counter is surging most in about 8 months. Morgan Stanley remains upbeat on the counter. They've rated the stock overweight with a target of 2,600 rupees per share. Morgan Stanley is saying that the Q2 results are in line and recovery signs are encouraging. They're also saying that demand trends in the upcoming festive season will be key for the stock. The stock is up for a third straight session. Apart from that, you have IIFL Securities. The stock is surging most in over 16 weeks. It's up over 13% in trade today on back of upbeat Q2 earnings. The company's profit more than doubled to 50.9 crore rupees versus 24.8 crore rupees a year ago. The revenues also saw an uptick of about 16%. The stock is up about for the second straight session, has already gained 79% in the last 52 weeks. Then you have Tata Communications. The stock is surging over 5% in trade today, fresh record high levels on back of Q2 earnings. The profits saw a jump of about 600% to 384 crore rupees on a year-on-year basis. The revenue saw an uptick of about 3%. The stock is posted its biggest intraday jump in over 4 months and is up for a second straight session. Apart from that, you have Bajaj Consumer that is up over 3% on back of good earnings. You also have Bank of Maharashtra that reported earnings today. It's up over 7% in trade today on back of this better asset quality as well as a growth in the profit numbers. Let me take you through other stocks that are buzzing based on news. You have first up, you have Cosmo Films. That particular counter is gaining in trade today, most in over 3 months, because the board will be considering a buyback of share issue on October 26. That's when they will be meeting. The stock is up for a third straight session and already gained 120% in the last 52 weeks. You also have Jet Airways that's hit a 5% upper circuit as lenders have approved a resolution plan. The grounded carriers creditors approved Calroc Jalan Consortium's resolution plan for the company. The stock has hit 5% upper circuit for 8th straight session. The stock has gained about 55% in the last 30 days itself. Next, you have DHFL. That particular counter is locked in 10% upper circuit. That's the biggest intraday jump in almost 14 months for the company. Reports are indicating that Adani Group, Piramal Group, Oak Tree Capital Management and SC Lowy have submitted bids to acquire the debt-laden mortgage lender. You also have, according to ET now, the Kapil Vadhavan in a letter to RBI administrator has requested to facilitate the resolution process of DHFL by settling claims as well as loans of the lenders. So that is why the stock is up for a second straight session. Your Spencer's Retail, the stock is up over 3% in trade today. It snapped its 5-day losing streak as per BSE share pattern or data. Shareholding pattern data. Ace investor Radhakishan Divani has is held above 2 million shares in the company. That's 2.2% stake in Spencer's Retail as of September quarter. So that is why the counter is up about 3% in trade today. Then you have also you have the public sector companies that are surging in trade today. As per ET now, sources have said that the government has asked at least 8 PSU companies to consider buybacks in the current fiscal year. And the 8 companies, as per sources, are Coal India, NTPC, NMDC, Engineers India. And that is why these counters are surging in trade today. So a whole lot of stocks that are actually buzzing in trade today.